Today I am going to start triangle. Tri means three. It is a closed figure having three angles, three sides and three vertex. What are the vertex? Three vertex means here vertex A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. And angles are, what are the angles you are getting here? Just write angle. Angle A. See, a triangle has three vertex. Namely, in this triangle, A is a vertex means corner, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. Therefore, vertex are A, B, C. What are the angles name? Here one angle, angle A. Here angle B means right here angle A, angle B. And what is the name of this angle? This angle? Angle C. There are three angles, three vertex. And how many sides are there? Three sides. AB is a side, BC is a side, and CA is a side. A triangle means it is a closed figure having three angles, three vertex, and three sides. Next you see the sum of the angles. The sum of the angles of a triangle. How many angles are there? Three angles. Therefore, sum of three angles of a triangle equal to how much? 180 degree. 180 degree. Now, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. That is, this angle is equal to interior opposite. This angle plus this angle. Therefore, I have written here angle ACD. What is the name of this angle? Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is the property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. The triangle has three vertex, three angle and three side. Okay. And in case of right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degree. One angle in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, at least one angle should be 90 degree. And other sum of other two angles and sum of other two angles. Sum of other two angles equal to 90 degree. Because total angle is 90 degree. If one angle of a right hand triangle, just like this, if one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, automatically remaining sum of the two angles will be 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then this plus this, suppose this is X, this is Y. Suppose the name of the angle is ABC. What is the sum? That means X plus Y will be 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, automatically sum of the other two angles will be 90 degree. Let us go from sum to this. See the question number 1 I have taken from the book exercise. In a triangle ABC, if twice of angle A is equal to size of angle B is equal to 6 times of angle C, it is given. And you have to find out the value of each angle of the triangle. Condition given 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 6C. So let, right here, let twice of angle A is equal to size of angle B is equal to 6 times of angle C is equal to BX. We are taking, let this angle and this 3 times of angle B, 6 times angle C is equal to X. Therefore, angle A will be how much? X by 2. Angle B will be how much? X by 3 will divide it, X by 3. And angle C will be how much? X by 6. See, each angle I am finding in terms of X. Because twice of angle A is equal to X. Therefore, angle A will be how much? X by 2. Same process. Size of angle B is equal to X. I have taken here. Let me show you. We are assuming. Therefore, angle B is equal to X by 3. Same process. 6 times of angle C is equal to X. Therefore, angle C is equal to X by 6. Now, sum of the angles of a triangle equal to how much? 180 degree. That means X by 2, X by 3 plus X by 6 is equal to 180. Because sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. What is the LCM of these 3? 2, 3, 6, LCM will be 6. This will be 3x. This will be 2x. This will be x is equal to 180 degree. Now, how many x you are getting? 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 6x. 6x by 6 is equal to how much? 180. Therefore, x will be how much? 180. X you are getting 180. because 6 will be cancelled out. After getting the value of x, then you can easily find a equal to how much? Therefore, a will be, therefore, angle A will be x by 2 equal to how much? 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degrees. Then angle B will be how much? B means what? X by 3, that means 180 by 3, 60 degrees. Angle C equal to how much? X by 6, that means 180 by 6, how much you are getting? 30 degrees. Therefore, each angle of the triangle are, one is 90 degree, another 60 degree, another is 30 degree. Each one angle 90 degree, it can be right angle triangle. That means ABC is a right angle triangle having one angle 90 degree, other two angles 60 degree and 30 degree. This is the way of solving question number 1. Let us go number 2. In the question number 2, three angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:7:10. Ratio given, three angles ratio given 3:7:10. Then prove that it is a right angle triangle. How will prove? First of all, ratio given, ratio of three angles, ratio of three angles. How much given? That is 3:7:10. Okay. As the ratio of three angle given, then let the angles be 3x, 7x and 10x. We are taking x multiple, okay? Now, sum of angles of a triangle equal to how much? Sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Therefore, sum means what? Sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. How much you are getting? 20x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x will be how much? 9 degree. X you are getting 9. Therefore, first one will be how much? 3x. That means 3 into 9, 9 3 is 27 degrees. Same process, second one will be how much? 7x, 7 into 9, 9 7 is 63. And third angle will be 10x. It will be 10 into 9. That means one angle of a triangle is coming 90 degrees. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the way of solving number 2. As the three angles of a triangle give a ratio given 3:7:10, 3x, 7x and 10x. Sum of the angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. How much you are getting? 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 10, 20x equal to 180, x equal to 20 divided means 9. First angle will be how much? 3x, 3 into 9, 27. Second angle that is 7x, 7 into 9, 9 7 is 63. Third angle that is I have taken 10x, 10 into 9 that is coming 90 degrees. One angle coming 90 degrees. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. Let us go next number 3. See the question number 3. The angles of a triangle. This is the triangle symbol. The angles of a triangle are 4x plus 10 degree, 5x minus 20 degree, 7x plus 30 degree. Three angles are given and you have to find out each angle of the triangle. As you know, the sum of the angles of a triangle equal to how much? 180 degree. As you know, sum of the angles of a triangle equal to how much? 180, that means 4x plus 10 is the first angle, plus second angle that is 5x minus 20 degree, third angle that is 7x plus 30 degree. Total angle equal to how much? That is 180 degree. As I have told before. Now all the x are 4x, 5x, that is 9x, 9 plus 7, 16x. Now 10 plus 30, 40, 40 minus 20, that is plus 20 is equal to 180. Now this 20 will be subtracted that side, this will be 16x equal to how much? This will be 160. Now x will be how much? 160 divided by 16, which is equal to x is equal to 10. You are getting the value of x. Therefore, first angle will be how much? First angle, first one means 4x plus 10. Put the value of x here. X means 10. 10 into 4, 40. 4 into 10 plus 10. It will be how much? 50 degree. Second one will be 5x minus 20 degree. That means 5 into 10 minus 20. How much you are getting? 50. 50 minus 20 equal to how much? 30 degree. And third one will be how much? Third one will be 7x plus 30. 7x plus 30. That is 7 into 10, that is 70. plus 30. How much you are getting? 100 degree. Therefore, angles of the triangle are one is 50 degree, second one is 30 degree, and third one is 100 degree. This is the way of solving the angles of a triangle. Okay, let us go next number. See the question number 4. One triangle figure given PQR. It is a triangle. This exterior angle of the triangle given 100 degree. Inside angle given 40 degree. This question angle you have to find out. To find angle PRQ. To find angle PRQ. This angle you have to find out. This is the question mark. See, if this angle is 100 degree, as you know, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, so here exterior angle is equal to how much? 100 degree, and interior opposite one is 40 degree given. Another not given. That what is the name of that angle? That is PRQ. Now this 100 minus 40 will give you angle PRQ. So what is the value of angle PRQ? Angle PRQ will be 60. This is the way of solving angle PRQ. That is the exterior angle given. One interior opposite angle given 40 degree, another interior opposite, that you have to find out. As you know, exterior angle of a triangle. This is the exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Everything short. Sum of interior opposite angle. That is, this angle is equal to this angle 40 plus this angle. This angle name is what? PRQ. That is 40 plus P. Then 40 will shorter that side. 20 minus 40 equal to how much? See, therefore angle PRQ equal to how much? This is the way of solving question number 4. Let us go next number. Question number 5. See the figure here. ABC is a triangle in which angle, this angle given 100 degree, this angle given 120 degree. You have to find out the value of angle ACB. This is angle ACB. This angle you have to find out. See, this is a straight line. As this is straight line, it is 100 degree. This angle will be how much? Inside angle. First to find angle CAB. Angle CAB will be how much? That is 180 degree minus 100 degree. You know how much? 80 degrees, because this angle is 180 linear pair. Same process this angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to how much? 180 minus 120. How much you are getting? 60 degree you are getting. Okay. After finding angle ABC, this angle I got 80 degree, and this angle you got 60 degree. Now in the triangle ABC, two angles you got 80 degree and 60. This third angle you have to find out. This third angle. How to find the third angle? That is sum of the angles of triangle equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ACB, total angle equal to 180 degree. You have to subtract sum of these two angles, that is 80 plus 60 degree. How much you are getting? 80 minus 140, how much you are getting? 40 degree. This is the way of solving number 5 to find the value of angle ACB. As it is a linear pair, one angle 100 degrees, other angle will be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. I am getting this angle. Again, same case here. These two angles are linear pair, angle on the straight line. One angle given 120 degree. This angle will be how much? 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Okay, this angle you got. Now in the triangle ABC, two angles you are getting 80 degree and 60 degree. Third angle, how to find out? Just two angle you add, 80 plus 60. Subtract from 180. 180 minus 80 plus 60. How much you are getting? 180 minus 140 equal to 40. Therefore, angle ACB equal to 40. This is the way of solving number 5. Let us go next. Number 6, it is given in a triangle ABC if angle A plus angle B equal to 125 degree. And also given angle B minus angle C equal to how much? 15 degree. Then find the all angles of the triangle ABC. Stated type. And what type of triangle it is, you have to show it. Okay, let's see. See, sum of angle equal to how much? 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180 degree. A plus B equal to how much given? A plus B equal to how much? 125 given. Put here 125. C not given. Keep it here 180 like this. Then C will be how much? 180 minus 125. This is coming 55. Okay. Therefore C angle equal to how much given? 55. This is how we are finding angle C. After finding the value of angle C, now put here B minus C equal to how much? Angle B minus angle C equal to how much? 15 degree. What is the value of B? What? 55. Angle B minus 55 is equal to 15 degree. Now, angle B will be how much? 15 degree plus 55 degree. How much you are getting? 70 degree. Angle B is equal to. After finding angle B and angle C, then you find angle A. Therefore, angle A will be how much? Total angle how much? 180 degree. 180 minus sum of the two angles, that is B and C. 70 plus 55. 55. How much you will get? This will be 125. That means 180 minus 132 how much? 55. See, angle also angle A also 55 degree, angle C also 55. That's why it is a isosceles triangle. As two angles are equal, angle A and angle C are equal. So whatever figure it will be, the figure will be like this. See, just to draw one triangle here, isosceles triangle having two sides equal. As angle A is equal to angle C, so this is the B. Angle A equal to how much? 55. And angle C equal to how much? This is also 55. Angle B, that is 70 degree. As two angles are equal of a triangle, that means see, this is called an isosceles triangle. It is a isosceles triangle. See the process of solving. Angle A plus B given 125. As you know, sum of the angles of a triangle equal to how much? Sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. A plus B equal to how much? 125. Just 120 subtract from there. 180 minus 120 equal to how much? 55 degree. This is the angle C. Now B minus equal to how much? 15 degree. B angle minus 55. Minus 50 will go that side. This is plus 50. How much you are getting? 70 degree. B you are getting 70 degree. C you got 55. Angle A will be how much? Total angle 180. 180 minus 70 plus 50. How much you are getting? This is 125. 180 minus 120, it will be 55 degree. That means angle A is equal to angle C. Therefore, two angles are equal, means it is isosceles triangle. This is the way of solving number 6.